In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable show summary when locked on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the show summary when locked enabled on your Apple Watch Series 9, you'll be able to see your notification summary on lock screen on your Apple Watch. However, if you want to stop seeing summary, all you need to do is disable this feature on the Apple Watch Series 9. So if you enjoyed this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do here is press the crown button once to exit the clock screen, like this. Then go ahead and click on settings. Once you select the settings, on the settings page, scroll down and click on notifications. Then scroll down. Locate notification privacy and then toggle off show summary when locked. Once this is disabled, your Apple Watch Series 9 will stop showing notification summary on the lock screen on your device. So if you want to enable this so that you see the summary of your notifications on the lock screen on your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is toggle this on. So that's how you can easily turn off or disable show summary when locked on Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.